Hello, this is Mike Hay, and this is the fourth of 6 exercises designed to help you develop your PowerPoint skills. In this exercise, you'll find, choose, insert, resize and crop images in a presentation. You'll learn how to select and manipulate images quickly and effectively. And as a result, you'll be able to create slides with images more quickly in PowerPoint. I use many different images in my presentations, but I tend to stick to just a few different layouts. In this one, I use a layout with a single image, a large image, to illustrate one point or tell a whole story I would like to share. I use a 3-image layout for lists or for an item with 3 component parts, in which case I might add a brace or curly bracket to link the images together. Or I might use this to represent 3 steps in a process. I might add a chevron behind each image like this. And I use a 6-image layout for longer lists. When I want to include images in a presentation, I make a note of the topics I'd like to illustrate and go ahead and find them. And then when I have them, I insert each one, resize it, and then crop it in that order. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to create a quick set of slides to tell you about the book I'm currently reading. It's called The Witch Elf by Tana French. Let's start by going to Unsplash and looking for images. Now I'm going to look for 7 images. And to do this, I just list the search terms and go through them one by one. So the first thing I want to look for is Dublin, because the novel is set in Dublin. I'm looking for something atmospheric, ideally in the rain. So let me see what I have here. I think it's quite a way down. Found something earlier. Not that one. Here we go. This one by Fleur. Download this image. I'll list her on the copyright later. So that's Dublin. It's a mystery novel, so something mysterious maybe. This image here by Kathleen, I'll take that. Then a skull plays a prominent part in the novel, so here's a nice picture of a skull, I'll take that. And it also features confident man who becomes more vulnerable as the story progresses. So let's find a confident picture. Here we go. From Caleb. Let's get a vulnerable picture now. This one will do. Andrew, thank you, Andrew. It's a psychological novel. There we go. This one for. And then finally, something sinister in here. I can't remember whether any of the characters wear some mask or not, but I thought this image was quite good as well. So take it. There's my images. Now if I go back to PowerPoint, I'm going to insert one big image in here. So to do this, simply find the pictures, and my downloads, take the one from Fleur here. Okay. And what do I do now is I'll zoom out a little, just check I've got it selected. Okay, let's resize it first, then crop it like this. Okay, that's one image. Send that to the back, and I can then tell the whole story just looking at that image and explaining what it's all about. So now we've got to the next one. I'm going to zoom in again. Now it's a thriller, so I'm going to pick an appropriate image I've just downloaded. I think actually I'll use Fleur's one again here. Just resize this to the right size of that box. To resize it, I'm holding the Shift key down and moving a corner. That keeps it everything in proportion. So I go to there, and when I've resized it to one dimension, I can then crop it to the other like that. Okay, then I'll insert a picture in here. This one is the mystery picture from Kathleen. Whoops. And then the vulnerability picture, which I'll put into here. Okay. Oops. Let's get it right in that dimension. And then I'll crop it. Like that. Okay, I might also recolor it, make them black and white. Oops. If I get the right tone, and this one too. Okay, so if I go back into slideshow again now, those are the two slides I've created. These are slides I've created earlier. I've changed the cropping, etc. to show you how you can create your slides very, very quickly. Here's the 6 slide layout as well. Okay, so now it's your turn. Think of a story or a topic you'd like to illustrate. It could be something that's been in the news, a blog, a podcast, or maybe it's the last book you've read. And find a single image that represents the whole story and add it to a slide. Select 3 images that tell the story and add them to another slide. And then in the third slide, choose 6 images you can share to share your story. So that's the exercise. Good luck. I hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching this video.